Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, a lucrative venture that has been growing steadily over the years. Imagine a realm where you can promote products or services from various companies, and when customers make purchases through your unique affiliate links, you earn a commission. Sounds appealing, doesn't it? This is the simple yet powerful concept of affiliate marketing. This industry has been on an upward trajectory and is projected to reach a staggering $8.2 billion in the United States alone by 2023. Such growth indicates the immense potential that lies within affiliate marketing, making it an attractive business model for many aspiring entrepreneurs. So, whether you're looking to make a full-time income or just earn some extra cash on the side, affiliate marketing could be the perfect opportunity for you. Now that you have a basic understanding of affiliate marketing, it's time to learn how to start your own affiliate marketing journey. The first step in your affiliate marketing journey is selecting the right affiliate network. Now this may seem like a small decision, but let me assure you, it's anything but. You see, the affiliate network you choose will be your partner in this endeavor. They will provide the products and services that you'll promote, and they will handle the payments. So it's crucial that you choose a reliable network that offers a wide range of high-quality products and services. Think about it. The more options you have to offer, the better your chances of finding something that truly resonates with your audience. That's why you should look for a network that gives you access to a broad spectrum of products and services. It's like having a well-stocked pantry. You can always whip up something delicious no matter who drops by for dinner. But variety isn't the only thing to consider. You also need to look at the commission rates. After all, you're in this to make money, so you need to ensure that the network offers competitive commission rates. Some networks may offer higher rates for certain products while others might have a flat rate for all products. It's a balance you'll need to strike. Next, let's talk about payment methods. You want to make sure the network you choose offers a payment method that works for you. Whether it's direct deposit, PayPal, or check, you need to ensure that you can easily access your earnings. Finally, consider the support offered by the network. Will they be there to help you if you run into issues? Do they provide resources to help you succeed? These are important questions to ask because in this journey, support can be a game changer. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to expand your affiliate marketing efforts, remember, the network you choose can make or break your success. With the right affiliate network, you can ensure a smooth start to your affiliate marketing journey. Once you've chosen your affiliate network, the next step is to build your affiliate website. This is your digital real estate, your own corner of the internet where you'll be directing potential customers, so it's crucial to make it count. First and foremost, your website should be professional and user-friendly. This may sound like a no-brainer, but it's surprising how many people overlook this aspect. A well-designed, easy-to-navigate website can be the difference between a visitor bouncing off or staying to explore what you have to offer. High-quality content is another key component of your website. This is what will attract and engage your audience, and more importantly, it's what search engines love. Create informative, engaging content that provides value to your visitors. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, infographics, or any other type of content that fits your niche. Now let's talk about navigation. It should be crystal clear. Visitors should be able to find what they're looking for within a few clicks. If they can't, they're likely to leave and never return. Make sure your navigation menu is prominent and intuitive. And of course, in this day and age, your website needs to be mobile-friendly. More people browse the web on their smartphones than on desktops. So if your site doesn't display properly on mobile devices, you're missing out on a huge chunk of potential traffic. Lastly, ensure your site loads quickly. Slow loading times are a big turnoff for web users. There are numerous online tools that can help you test and improve your site speed, so there's no excuse for a sluggish website. Remember, your website is your online storefront, so make it as attractive and user-friendly as possible. It's not just about aesthetics, but functionality as well. A great-looking site that's difficult to use won't get you far, but a site that's both beautiful and easy to navigate, now that's a winner. Now that you have your website, it's time to choose your niche. The niche you select is a crucial decision, as it forms the foundation of your entire affiliate marketing journey. Your chosen niche should be something you're passionate about and possess knowledge in. This not only makes the process more enjoyable but also lends credibility to your promotions. However, passion and knowledge alone aren't enough. The niche must also have potential for profitability. It must be something people are interested in and willing to spend money on. You wouldn't want to put in all that effort only to find out there's no market for the products or services you're promoting. So, how do you find a profitable niche? The answer lies in market research. You need to dig deep into market trends and identify niches that are on the rise. Look for niches with a steady demand and a sizable audience. You can use tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner to gain insight into what people are searching for online. But remember, a profitable niche also means competition. You're not the only one looking for profitable niches, so expect to face competition from other affiliate marketers. That's why it's important to also analyze the competition within your chosen niche. If competition is too high, it may be difficult for a beginner to make a mark. Lastly, consider the potential profitability of the products or services within the niche. Some niches may have high demand, but low profitability. You need to strike a balance between demand and profitability to ensure your efforts will pay off. In summary, selecting a profitable niche involves a combination of personal interest, market demand, competition analysis, and profitability potential. It's a process that requires careful thought and research, but the payoff can be substantial. Choosing the right niche can make the difference between success and failure in affiliate marketing. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. The final step in starting your affiliate marketing business is driving traffic to your website. This step is crucial because no matter how well you've executed the previous steps, without traffic, there are no customers, and without customers, there are no commissions. So, how do you get people to visit your website? There are several strategies you can employ. First off, there's SEO or search engine optimization. This involves optimizing your website and its content to rank higher on search engine results pages. By using keywords related to your niche and creating high-quality content, you can improve your visibility on search engines like Google, thereby attracting more visitors to your site. Next, there's social media marketing. With billions of people using platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram every day, social media is a goldmine for traffic. By sharing engaging content and interacting with your audience, you can drive more traffic to your website. Remember, building a strong and engaged following takes time, but the payoff can be huge. Paid advertising is another strategy. This involves paying for ads on platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads. While this method requires an upfront investment, it can result in immediate traffic. Plus, these platforms offer detailed targeting options, allowing you to reach your ideal audience. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the strategy of consistent, high-quality content creation. This means regularly publishing fresh, engaging content that provides value to your audience. This not only helps with SEO but also encourages visitors to keep coming back to your site, increasing your chances of earning commissions. Remember, driving traffic to your website isn't a one-time effort. It requires ongoing work and optimization, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can attract a steady stream of potential customers to your affiliate website. With the right traffic-driving strategies, you can attract a steady stream of potential customers to your affiliate website. Starting an affiliate marketing business may seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's entirely achievable. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We began by understanding the core concept of affiliate marketing and how it can be a lucrative source of income. We then delved into the importance of selecting the right affiliate network, a choice that can make or break your success. Building a website was our next stop, a digital home base for your venture, where you can promote products or services and guide visitors with your unique affiliate links. We also stressed the significance of choosing a profitable niche, a decision that should be made with due diligence and careful research. Finally, we explored various strategies to drive traffic to your website. These included SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising, all aimed at increasing visibility and boosting your income potential. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to start your journey in affiliate marketing, so why wait? Start your journey today. Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.